What is up, guys? Welcome to the channel. My name is Matthias, aka Broken Elegance. Today we are making some house music. I'm going to teach you guys how to make some epic house drum loops. These are perfect for multiple genres around the 128 BPM, progressive house, EDM, bass house, all of that good stuff. For this tutorial I'm going to use Cataclysm EDM Drum Sample Pack, link in the description. It's important to have good quality, really hard-hitting drums to punch your audience's eardrums. Let's start with the kick. Now with house music it's really important to have good flow with the kicks and the bass. And the kick is really the driving force of the track. This one I'm going to pick something really simple. In genres like bass house or a progressive house, you have these shorter kicks with a little bit more plain sound to leave room for other elements. Let's lower our tempo to 128 BPM. You can use anything from 124 to 130. 128 is the classic house tempo. Kicks on every fourth. Then we'll choose a snare for this one. I want something short and snappy. This is really nice. It's sort of this acoustic sounding snare. The snares on every other kick. Now at this point I'm going to adjust my volumes just a little bit. We're going to have our kick around 6 dB and our snare is going to be adjusted to the taste. That's really nice. Let's see if we can find a nice clap on top of this one. Once again, I'd like something like the clap 13, something really basic, which sounds natural. Clap 7 sounds really nice. Let's lay it on top of our snares and adjust the volume. Now that we have our kick and our snare, we can EQ the snare just a little bit. The next step is to find a really nice hi-hat to start the groove. Let's pick a closed one. A cool thing you can try is to use closed hi-hats in your verses and then have some open hi-hats going in the drops. Something to try. This sounds really cool. I can already hear some sort of bass house bass line on top of this just grooving way. Boom, 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 boom. Oh yeah, that's good. Let's continue. Next, we want to add some flow to this and spice it up with some percussive loops. Let's see if we can find a cool tom to go along with the loop. Ooh, this is really nice. Maybe something like this. This is really hard, but let's try it. Something like this, just basic. It's sounding so damn good. Now, since I forgot in the last one, we will pan the hi-hats just slightly and we could do something crazy with the tom, like make pan to the different sides. Let's hear what this sounds like. I want it to go the other way for some reason. It's good. Let's see if we can spice the groove with some glitch percussions or rim shot. Rim shot could be really good. But yeah, let's try this one. This is the one. I'm going to lay it here. Maybe we could add one more tom to the earlier part. It can get a little bit cluttered, but you could maybe make this a little bit longer and space out the toms. But let's try something. This is the one we use. Let's see. The hi-hats, we could maybe add some fine pitch. Now guys, what I think is the craziest thing, this really doesn't need any mixing. Yeah, we could maybe add some sort of reverb to our percussive group, so the hi-hats perks. Make it a little bit tighter. Limit this just a little bit. Sounding really damn good. Now that's it for this tutorial. Guys, I know you enjoyed this video, so leave a like and comment on what you would like to see me cover in the tutorials next time. Check out the sample pack, links in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!